Welcome to this video. Today we will be looking at logarithmic regression. So you should have watched the video of linear regression by now, and if you haven't, you may watch the video given down in the link in the description here, or you can also visit the iCard here. And after you have watched the video on linear regression, you may proceed on to logarithmic regression. So in logarithmic regression, you can have a following sample data set as the age versus height of a tree. But this kind of data set is also valid for a human too, since you may know that after a certain point of time the increase in the height actually is actually very small. So as you get old, the increase in the height will be smaller than when you was a teen. So that's why you have this kind of data set for a tree. But honestly saying, this is a too much small set. You should have a data set of at least more than 100 or 500 values. The more the data you have, the more the accuracy you will have. But anyway, this is a very small data set, but you may learn the concept from here too. So let's proceed here. So you have the data set as the age versus height. So here you have the X array which holds the age data and the Y array which holds the height data. Now using this section of code, we have plotted the curve here. See, this is an logarithmic curve. See, all these data points cannot be fit inside a straight line. This has to be fitted using a function which is logarithmic. So our logarithmic function has been assumed as y equal to a into natural logarithm of x plus b, where a is the slope and the y being the intercept. Now clearly ln x is a non-linear one, so you have to convert it into linear one. So we can take ln x as x dash. So after you have taken it as x dash, then it becomes y equal to a into x dash plus b. See, this is the same model as we have done in the linear regression. In linear regression too, you have y equal to ax plus b, but in logarithmic regression you will do the same thing, but the thing is that that is x dash equal to ln x. So you have to calculate here the logarithm of x. See, we have calculated in this problem the logarithm of x. This is the difference between the linear regression and the logarithmic regression. Otherwise the logic is same. The logic is the same. The least square curve fitting method, the rest of the logic is the same. Just you have to take the non-linear part as a linear one. Then you can perform the same linear regression. See, after that we have just got the output as height equal to a into log of here plus b. In linear regression we have a into x plus b. Since this is a logarithmic regression, we have the height output equal to a into natural logarithm of er. The er is the input plus b. So you can get the predicted height. So you can just get your height data as the output. So see, we have entered the age as 7 and we have predicted the height as 5.48. So you can also verify this in this curve. 7 can lie here, so almost 5 greater than 5, almost 5.4 to 5.5. So our regression actually holds good. Our regression model holds good, and the a and the b values are calculated successfully and correctly. And using this approximation, we can approximate our height as 5.48. So you can just enter any value. Since we have the user input here, you can take any user input and predict the height from here. So I hope you have found this video useful. If so, please consider like, share and subscribe to this channel, and please share it with your friends, and please hit the bell icon for getting information about when we will release further such interesting videos. Thank you.